Good day, ladies and gentlemen. May I present to you the 2020 Audi RS6. Revered everywhere by people who like fast cars and dogs, because you can combine your two passions. Having said that, given that wonderful introduction, good morning. Hi, welcome to Ti22, my little channel where I talk to you about cars we've detailed and PPF'd. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do with this absolute beauty of a black RS6, which has had a lot of work done. So thank you for all your watches on the previous videos, by the way. This is a big jump, well, not a big jump from the last video, which was the SLK55, the rare AMG one. Is that the oldest atmospheric V8 that Merc have done? Because they're all twin turbo now. And thank you for all the Corvette views, 60s Corvette, SLK55 AMG, and then on to this beauty. So let's not bore you too much with the old videos, let's talk about this one. Although we should just say thank you very much for your all lately subscribes and all that stuff. As I sit, we are that much below 1,000, so if you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified when we get new videos. Just helps me. I'm not going to be a millionaire. Cash isn't going to fall from the sky, but it does just help get the word out about me and my little business and the work we're doing on mega things like this RS6. So yeah, look at this stunning RS6. So what have we done to it? Well, principally, this has had what I would call a really good level of protection for this type of vehicle. So we've done a lot of PPF on it, principally the whole front end, and we've also done the side skirts. In reality, that's a lot of pieces. I think I added it up and got to about 30 earlier. This bumper, XPEL by the way, hopefully you're watching XPEL, your kit for this car is amazing. Matt Taylor, who is the chief designer in Britain, you and your team have done a ridiculously good job on this car. So for those of you who don't realise, the way we do this stuff is I have a plotter in there which costs about £6,000, and we buy the PPF in a sheet. We then download a program from the wonderful people at XPEL. It cuts out all the little shapes and then we fit it onto the car. That way we don't put a knife within 10 feet of the car. So, you know, just on this car, those washers are a separate piece. That tow hook eye is a separate piece. That splitter there is a separate piece. That splitter there is a separate piece. Even this rail on the grille is a separate piece here. Well, that's one piece, that's one piece, that's another piece, that's another piece. This little nostril piece is another separate piece. This piece here is part of the whole bumper piece, which also this is. Obviously another vent over here. Headlight, headlight. Whole bonnet is done. We run over here, then this mirror is in two pieces. We've done the A-pillars here, because we see a lot of these getting chipped. The sills are incredible as well. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that are what we call a sill strip, or in XPEL call it a rear wheel impact area kit as well. So massive coverage. On top of that, the car needed a lot of machine polishing on the parts that we haven't covered in PPF. Lot of scratching. It's black. These latest Audi blacks we're seeing are very soft and easily marked. This one was the first one in the dealership in Cardiff. It was embargoed for like 3 weeks, so unfortunately lots of people got to touch it and love it and rub it and do what we call give it love marks. So we had to polish a lot of those out. And then, of course, we've coated this in the brilliant top-of-the-range GYEON MOHS Plus coating, which I absolutely love. Just look how amazing it looks. Great protection, great looks, great water behaviour, fantastic coating. So, obviously the doors, the back end, we've also done the luggage strip in PPF, so when your dogs jump in and out, or when you get your luggage in and out, or whatever, that's not going to pick up any marks on the paint. I think that's about it. I think that is about what we've done. So, mega car. Super nice and happy to have it in the workshop. Thank you very much, loyal customer. You know who you are. Very much appreciate your business. Just what a wonderful thing. The XPEL kit, I have to say, just fits like a glove. So pleased with it. Not an easy bonnet to do these because of these very tight curves. Super happy. I have to say as well, this car's got 600 miles on it already. It's picked up a lot of paint damage. On this little area here, just on the back door, we've got a separate piece here for the impact kit, but maybe I'll do some close-ups. There's some bad chipping on the back of the back doors already. Also underneath all of these areas here, which are PPF now, they've picked up some quite bad damage. Lots and lots of chipping. These new paints we're seeing are very thin. They're a lot more easily damaged than old paint types. So a really good reason to get PPF done. So other than that, I don't think there's any reason to bore you a bit more. I'll do a bit of a walk around now, show you a bit more bits and pieces so you can see what the install is like from a few different angles. Just what a thing, what an absolute privilege to have it in the workshop. Thank you for giving it to me. Thank you for all the wonderful cars you've brought us. Next car I think up for us will be like a 4 or 5 year old, another black V8 twin turbo Audi, but this time an S8. That is hopefully coming in a minute, so hopefully before the next video comes out we'll have time to work on that, do the stuff. That's getting another mega coating and paint correction, and then we'll do another video on that one for you. Thanks for watching the previous videos. Hopefully I've gotten filming this still on my phone, unfortunately, because I'm a detailer, not a YouTuber, but I think the microphone's a lot better on this, so hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you're just enjoying the latest videos a lot more. Really hope you are. Really hope you enjoy the car. Any questions or comments or anything else, fire at me. Otherwise, thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on the channel. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.